Before you decide whether to buy Linguix, there are 12 things you need to know. If you're considering this generative AI software, it's important to understand how it compares to other options like Grammarly, ProWritingAid, and Quillbot. Stay tuned till the end as we break down the key points you should know before making your purchase. First off, Linguix is designed to enhance your writing with grammar checks, style suggestions, and vocabulary improvements. It's very much like other tools in the market, but focuses heavily on speeding up the process without losing quality. If you're someone who needs to write a lot, this can be a game changer. Next thing to consider, its user interface. Linguix's interface is minimalistic, which is great for those who want a clean experience. However, it might feel a bit too simple compared to Grammarly's more robust features. That said, if you value simplicity, this might be perfect for you. The third thing is how accurate the suggestions are. Linguix uses AI to correct grammar and style issues. While it's fairly accurate, it doesn't always match the level of precision that Grammarly offers, especially when it comes to complex sentence structures. This can be a downside if you're working on more intricate writing. The fourth thing is that Linguix offers a browser extension, which is great for people who need to improve their writing across different platforms. You can use it in Google Docs, WordPress, or almost anywhere on the web. However, it's not as seamless across all platforms as Grammarly's extension, which offers a slightly more integrated experience. Next, let's talk pricing. Linguix is more affordable than some competitors, offering a range of pricing options, including a free version. This can be a great way to test it out. But if you're looking for premium features, the paid plans are competitively priced, but may still fall short of some advanced tools offered by ProWritingAid. Another key point, multilingual support. Linguix is decent in terms of supporting other languages, but it's not as comprehensive as some alternatives. If you're working in multiple languages, you may want to look into other software that offers better multi-language support. Moving on, let's talk about AI-powered writing improvement. Linguix can help you improve your writing's clarity, conciseness, and flow, but its suggestions may not be as insightful as what you'd get from a more advanced tool like Quillbot. If you need detailed sentence restructuring suggestions, this might not be your best option. Next thing to consider, mobile compatibility. Linguix offers mobile apps, but they're not as polished as those from Grammarly or ProWritingAid. If you write frequently on the go, this could be a limiting factor for you. The eighth point is customer support. Linguix's support is reliable, but not as extensive as Grammarly's. If you run into problems, you'll find helpful guides and email support, but live chat or phone support is not available in the same way it is with Grammarly. Another thing to consider is integration with other tools. Linguix integrates well with various platforms, but it doesn't offer as many third-party integrations as some competitors. This might make it harder to incorporate into your current workflow. Next, the eighth thing, the learning curve. Linguix's simplicity means there's little learning curve. While this is great for beginners, if you're someone who's looking for deep customization options, you might feel limited. Other tools offer more flexibility for advanced users. The 11th point is the AI learning. Linguix continuously improves its AI, but it doesn't update its suggestions as frequently as Grammarly or ProWritingAid. If you're looking for a tool that evolves rapidly, this could be something to keep in mind. And finally, let's talk about the overall value. Linguix offers solid value for money, especially for people who want a more budget-friendly alternative to premium services. But if you need a tool with a broader range of advanced features, you may want to consider other options. In conclusion, Linguix is a good option, especially if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use writing assistant. However, if you're looking for more advanced features and greater accuracy, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.